Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. We specialize in European automobiles, 35 years in business. Sold a lot of Jaguars. This is a 2003 XK8 Coupe. 2003 is a great year. In 2001, they updated the engine slightly with better timing chain rails and guides. Makes the engine much more reliable. This is metallic silver with black leather interior. Has optional 19-inch wheels, which give it a much more sporty look. This has Xenon headlights. That was an option as well. A little windy today. Interior's in beautiful condition. One owner. Well cared for. Always garaged. Rear parking sensors. This comes with a Jaguar cover, so that's included. No rust on the body, all original. Wood grain steering wheel. Alpine sound system. Headliner's excellent. Start it up. $66,867 miles. Compass in the mirror. Digital clock. Automatic climate control. Original radio. Real nice wood grain. There's no cracks. This is a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. And there's a two-position memory. It remembers the position of the steering wheel, the mirrors, and the seat. There's a look under the hood. Beautiful 4.2 V8, 300 horsepower. Everything looks nice and fresh. Does not look like an older vehicle. This is a great classic Jaguar that has a modern feel to it. Runs and drives very smoothly. Great handling and a lot of luxury and comfort. And many modern safety features. Thank you for looking in. Give us a call. I'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.